Alright, so I took it for a about a 10-minute run after I did the jet change, and it started loading up, within 10 minutes. Had to bring it back, so I figured while I had it in here, I'd go ahead and wrap the exhaust and do all this stuff and come back and check temperatures anyway. So I just ran a 20-minute run with the after I did those changes, and it started loading up again. So some other problem going on with the carburetor there. So let's check temperatures and see what we got on the exhaust. So I'm looking at 473 degrees, 460, 472 degrees. That just doesn't sound right. And hydraulic gauge is showing 56 degrees. So it was 65 after that first run. So now we're showing 110 on the cooler, 130 on the hydraulic tank. That's a 15-degree difference on the hydraulics. Yeah, that exhaust, I mean, if the math isn't mathing, if it was running lean before and I put a heavier needle or jet in it, and it's 60 degrees, 70 degrees hotter on the exhaust after the wrap. So, don't know what's going on there. Fuel tank's 164. The intake is 121, so that's actually hotter. I guess that makes sense since the exhaust is hotter. So I welded on a little extension on the exhaust tip, so that is pretty much outside the guard there, and it's wrapped also. Got this fiberglass wrap. Of course, it's Chinese. It's 50 feet, titanium color, 2-inch by 50 feet. Titanium color. It came with some stainless steel ties. That's pretty nice. I'll tell you what, though, you better wear some gloves. I got this crap all in my fingers. And the jets, jet kit that I bought was a Yamamoto. It comes with everything from, I think it was a 39 thousandths to 46 thousandths. So I put the 41 in there as recommended, and seems like my exhaust is hotter, so must be running leaner. It actually did a small backfire after I shut it down just a second ago. So I don't know. Might put the old one back in and see what it runs. The old jet back in and see what it runs on exhaust temperature. So I'm not a mechanic. I don't know anything about little skid steers. My brother and I have a Bobcat E50 Mini X, and he's got a T550 skid steer, Bobcat skid steer, and I was just wanting something a little bit smaller that I could handle, pull behind my truck, no problems, and just something I can grab and use when I need it. And I guess this one will do the trick once I get all the little kinks worked out of it, get it running good and reliable and all. So far, I haven't had any trouble with the tracks coming off. I've got a pair of forks for it, little 30-inch forks. I think they're rated at 2,500 pounds, but this thing won't lift that. It'll lift what I need it to. And I've got a mini grapple, 44-inch mini rock grapple, I think they called it. It seems to work fine with this one. It's a little heavy. I think it's 310, 320 pounds. So, but I was just wanting it to move brush and things like that, and small stuff around the yard when I need to. But hopefully that's all I need. I'll keep playing around with this, throw some videos up, shorts up when I do something, and when I have some successes or failures or whatever. Looks like it's going to be a little project. And I also put a little grip tape on the platform because, yeah, I slipped off a few times when I was playing with it the first day. Anything else I did? I guess I'll put this air filter cover back on and put a port on the back side, the operator platform side, just to see if it'll pull air from there, and maybe that'll block the heat from the exhaust to maybe keep the fuel from boiling. I'm not sure. And then it's got a little small in tank filter up there. Maybe I'll pull that out and see if it's plugged. It could be plugged too. I don't know. I need to check all that stuff. Can't tell if it's starving for fuel or the fuel's boiling or what the causes are on some of these things. But we'll keep playing with it. I'll post some videos as they come.